What's up, people? Yo, it is snowing. Look at all this snow. It's crazy. And it's only October. October, people. October. Can you believe this? October? Last time it snowed like this time of year, was the Civil War. The Civil War it snowed like this. It's crazy. Look at all this. It's crazy. Look at all that. That's insane. I feel like it's freaking winter time now, but it's not. It's fall. Can you imagine what the winter's gonna be like? That's insane. Wow. That is unbelievable. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane. I cannot believe it is October. What date is it? October 28th, 29th, one of the two? But still, it's fall. And they're plowing. Look at all that. They're plowing. They got plows up out here. Plowing. In October. Look at all that snow. I still cannot believe this. I'm shocked. I am so shocked. People looking at me like I'm an idiot because I'm talking to my phone. But you know what? Oh well. I don't care. This is insane. But last time it snowed like the Civil War? Civil War. That's over 100 years ago. I'm putting out salt, shoveling, everything like that in October? That's crazy. I cannot believe this. Snow in October. Damn. That's crazy, people. Crazy. Bobby. Out. 420. Peace.